Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what might just be the best battery-powered personal fan on the market, the Gaiatop portable clip-on fan. Whether you're at your desk, camping outdoors, or out with the kids in a stroller, this compact fan promises to keep you cool with its powerful yet quiet operation. First up, let's talk about the design. The Gaiatop fan is impressively small and lightweight, measuring just over 5 inches deep and about 6.5 inches tall, weighing less than a pound. This makes it incredibly portable and easy to clip onto a variety of surfaces like desks, stroller handles, or even shelves. The clip itself is strong, and features a soft sponge padding, so it grips firmly without causing any scratches or damage to the surface. One of the standout features is its full 360-degree rotation capability, both horizontally and vertically. This means you can easily adjust the airflow direction exactly where you need it, whether you want a gentle breeze at your desk or a stronger airflow for outdoor use. It's versatile and adapts to your environment effortlessly. Powering the fan is a rechargeable 2000 mAh battery that supports USB charging. Depending on which of the 3 speed settings you select, the battery life can last anywhere from about 3.5 hours on high speed, to up to 10 hours on the lowest setting. You can also use the fan while it's charging, which is great for continuous use at home or work without worrying about running out of power. The motor inside is a brushless design, which contributes to both the fan's durability and its quiet operation. Noise levels range from 30 decibels on the lowest speed, which is whisper quiet and perfect for sleeping, to a bit louder at higher speeds, but still very manageable. This makes it a fantastic option for anyone needing a personal cooling solution without the annoying hum of a traditional fan. Safety is a priority here as well. The fan grille has tiny 5.5mm gaps, preventing little fingers from slipping inside. This makes it particularly baby-friendly and suitable for families with toddlers. Cleaning is also easy thanks to the detachable fan cover, allowing you to remove it and wipe down the blades and grille whenever needed. With a modest 5-watt power consumption, this fan is energy efficient, making it environmentally friendly while delivering strong airflow. The fan's plastic blades and matte finish add to its casual, modern look, fitting in well with various room types from living rooms and bedrooms to classrooms and offices. Inside the box you get the fan itself, a 3.3-foot USB charging cable, and a manual that walks you through setup and operation. Overall, the Gaiatop portable clip-on fan combines portability, power, and safety in a compact design that fits a wide range of lifestyles. If you're looking for a personal fan that's rechargeable, easy to clip onto different surfaces, offers multiple speed settings, and rotates fully to keep you cool wherever you are, this fan deserves serious consideration. It's ideal for workspaces, outdoor adventures, or just relaxing at home. That wraps up our review of the Gaiatop portable clip-on fan. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on the latest gadgets and gear. Thanks for watching and stay cool.